Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to make a screenshot on the Motorola Moto G52. You can make screenshots from every single app. It doesn't matter if you're here on the home screen or if you are in the settings or somewhere else. It doesn't matter. The only possibility could be that when you make screenshots of movies or other things, then it can be that those screenshots doesn't work correctly. But in most cases, the screenshot should work correctly. So to make a screenshot, all you have to do is to press two buttons simultaneously. And this one is the normal on and off button, the power button, and the volume down button. And if you press those two buttons at the same time for a short period, then this happens. You see a short flash, and then you can see the miniature of the screenshot you have just made. And when we are waiting for about 5 seconds or 6 seconds, it will disappear. But it isn't lost, it's saved in your gallery. So we go into the photos. And when we are in the photos, I'll just go here on my library, and here are my screenshots. You see I have made some screenshots earlier. So I am opening this screenshot now, and I can just click on share or edit. And when I'm editing this, I can do a lot of things. I can perhaps crop this image, and I can adjust it, like the contrast, and I can mark up something. I can write something down, change even the color, and a lot of things also. When I'm done, I click on done and click on save copy, and then this screenshot will be saved as a copy from my earlier screenshot. So this is the original and this is my edited copy. Okay, now there's a second possibility, second option to make screenshots and to edit them. So I just click again here, and then I click here on this image. So while it is here, I click on it, and then I come directly to the edit mode. And here it's a little bit different, but of course you can do the same things. I can again change the colors and change this, change other things, and do whatever I want to do. When I'm finished with this, I'll just click on the symbol, and then a photo is saved. And again, I go to photos, and then you can see that this is gray. It's because we are so fast. It will take about 5 or 6 seconds, and you can see here, okay, now is my edited screenshot. So you can edit your screenshots in two different ways, either with the miniature or when it's already in your photos. That was it, how to make screenshots and edit them in the Motorola Moto G52. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye!